Great. Please download the rename, delete or move sheet from the resources section, and then open the file. And then with this file open, we're actually going to do a couple of things. The first thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding a sheet, and we're going to know how to do this. We're going to go right click, we're going to go move a copy, move to the end, we're going to create a copy. There we have our copy. Now if I want to rename this sheet, I can do a couple of things. I can double click on it and I can type in new name. Alternatively, I can right click on the sheet and I can select again a new name. Now with naming a sheet, there is a maximum, so let me add a new sheet in here just to illustrate this, that it does have a maximum amount of characters: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 31. 31 is the maximum amount of characters that you actually can have on the sheet. So if I press enter there, you can see there that I've got a very long file name there of 31 characters, which is the limit. So if sometimes you need to have very long sheet names, then you can name your sheets to a very long sheet name if you really wanted to. Just remember the cap on that of 31 characters.